Greetings everyone and welcome to the channel. I'm Unclear and today I'm going to bring you a YouTube banner template guide. If you're like me and want to make your own YouTube banners or you're just starting and want to give banner design a try, this template is going to help you out. So we're going to go, I thought I'd make it as simple as I could because punching up numbers on screen or where things need to be isn't for everyone, and having it color coded or just boxes makes it so simple. So as you see on screen here, I have two green bars and then a bar in the middle that's consistent of a black square, a blue oblong, and another black square at the other end. Those all represent what can be seen on what device, depending on what's viewing your channel. So on my screen right now, everything can be seen on a television. If someone is using their TV to search through YouTube, this is what they will see. They'll see the whole lot. So if you want to have set messages just for your TV viewers, or just want to have something cool that only people on TV can see, you have the entire space to work with. Now, if you go to a PC viewer, I'll hide this one here, only what is currently colored, so the black and blue there, is what people on PC will see. So if we jump to my channel, I'm currently going through changing my banner. You'll see my game on logo, which is changing, and my logo there of myself with my cockatiel. That there is the black and the blue square. So you can see everything in that space, and that's what people on PC will see, to give you a visual representation of that. If we go back to our image, if we hide that layer, and we only got left with the blue square there, that blue square is what people on mobile devices will see. So if you want to make sure your logo can be seen, or if you've got a phrase you like using, or 3 bullet points what your channel's like, if it's in this blue square, every platform can see it. So that's the blue is the most safest space to put information, or just put your design there if you just have a simple logo and you want to have it there. That is where you want it to be. The side panels for PC. So if you go, you want to have something for PC there, you go for gold. The design is up to you, but that's how it breaks down what can be seen where. Now I actually leave a copy of this in my Discord. Is kind of the only way I know how to share it. So a link to my Discord is in the description down below. I'll post a colored version and just a simple black and white version. Feel free to grab them, use them to your heart's content, and have fun designing. Let me know what you come up with. Tag me on Twitter or Instagram, wherever you post your banners, or even comment your YouTube channel, and I will go and have a look, see what you've come up with using this template design. I'm really looking forward to that. So if this video has helped you out, guys, be sure to leave a like rating. And don't forget to comment what you've done with it, your design. I want to see it. I'm curious to see what you guys come up with, and I hope this has really helped you out. Anyway, until next time, I'll say thank you so much for watching. As always, stay safe.